Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Ibrahim and I'm from Liberia. Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Sir Ali for the Forex for Beginner Academy. Actually, I met the Forex for Beginner Academy on YouTube when I was in search for courses on how to trade the Forex market. And since I started taking Mr. Sir Ali courses, my knowledge on Forex trading have improved. I have learned a lot of things such as market structure, trend line, risk management, and etc. The Forex for Beginner Academy is free. I would highly recommend it to anyone or anybody who want to start trading Forex to start their learning process from there. And I'm so thankful to Mr. Sir Ali for sharing his knowledge with us, even giving us a private student group where we post our chat for feedback after marking it on TradingView. Thank you, Mr. Sir Ali. May God bless you.